Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I just did a video sharing with you the Walmart Trendsetter box. It just finally came like 2 weeks behind the classic. Go check that video out. This here is the Target beauty box for October. And I shared with you guys like a 10-second video about there was 2 options this month. And I only chose the eye version. I believe there was like maybe a face and an eye version. I just don't care about facial products, so I just got the eye version. However, it's like light as air, so can't remember what's in here, other than I think there might have been a makeup brush, and you know how I love those. But this is a different box. Like, what's weird about this is there's like a little pebble in there, a little silver BB in there. That's strange. Anyway, the box is decorated. I've never seen the Target beauty boxes be decorated. It looks like a Birchbox. But it is so light as air. Okay, so Target beauty boxes go live. Usually, they used to be the first Monday of every month. That's not the case anymore, so don't even listen to me. I'll immediately share with you as soon as I find out when they do go live, like I did this month. They are $7 a box. Typically, very rarely are they $10, and 75% of the time it's one offering. There's just one box. And however, a couple of times a year they offer 2, and this month they happened to offer 2. Each of them was $7 though. Again, I didn't like and you get to see what's in these boxes beforehand before you buy them. And I didn't like the other option, but this was the eyes version, which hence probably all the eyes on the box. That makes sense, huh? You always get a coupon. This has the description of what's in here, and you get a $3 off $15 coupon, which I always double at Target by getting, like right now I think they have some beauty products or body products or something that you buy 4 and you get a $5 gift card, and then I would also get $3 off, so be getting $8 off 4 items. Or I always do that, or I immediately will go look for the clearance makeup and get a $10 thing of makeup marked down to $3-4 and get a couple of them to get up to $15 and then save another $3. That's what I usually like to do. Otherwise, I try to get the $5 gift card in addition to the 3 off 15. So that's what I like to do. This is a really nicely done box. I'll probably keep it. Okay, so this is what is inside. So, almost dropped it. Okay, the first thing is oh, that's funny. So in sharing my previous video, we got an eyeliner in there, and now I got another eyeliner. This is a CoverGirl Get In Line Liquid Liner. Major Matte Black. Fine feather tip. So just like the other one, it's just a really fine tip. It's kind of a weird bottle looking thing though, but that's that. And I would have known this ahead of time by remembering what was in the box. However, I do remember this. I remember there was a brush, and I don't care. If there's a brush, I will get it, and then I'll never use it. But this is a Sonia Kashuk, which are very good brushes, I've learned. Brown line and fill brush with spoolie, so that's cool. Number 307. So that alone is probably worth $7. It has a spoolie on this end, and it has like a little filler brush right there, so you can dip it in your brow powder or whatever you need to dip it in. Gel, brow gel, that kind of thing. It's a really nice brush. I like they're just really sturdy, thick brushes. Okay, so the one thing I probably do not like, no, I'll use these maybe, because I'm having to like, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I'm having to like spackle in the bags under my eyes. And this is for that. Oh God. Also, do you see my hair? It's kind of pink and purple and gray and brown and red. Yeah, that is thanks to the Pink Coloriste by Clairol. Oh my God, I put it in my hair and this is what ended up happening. Like, it is crazy what happened. And I just did it 3 nights ago. And look at the gray is already coming through. Maybe it's not meant to cover gray, but I'm gonna have to like just color my hair a whole different color just to get rid of this. It's only supposed to be 8 washes, but it came out really bad. My husband's like, you look like Lucy. Like, her hair wasn't pink, but it looks awful. But I did it for breast cancer awareness. I've never had breast cancer, but I have had 25% of my right breast removed due to non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. So I feel for everybody and pray for everybody and support, breast cancer. And so I thought I would do that for that. And yeah, it didn't work out very well. Anyhow, this is a Nacure Welcome to Skin Wellness Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydrogels. So it is under eye saw a picture right here, under eye mask, or you know, those things. So I will probably use those. I hope to God I don't break out, but I am like need collagen, I guess, right there. Okay, what else? Lumify. Bausch & Lomb Lumify Redness Reliever Eye Drops. That's nice. I hate putting things on my eyes. When they were trying to find out why I was losing my vision, they gave me 2 different types of drops. One was like a steroid drop, and one was a, I don't know, whatever. And it was like, I just couldn't get it in my eye. And luckily, that's not why I'm losing my eye vision, so I don't have to take these drops. But, you know, if you have red eyes, maybe, maybe I could stick these in my eyes. I don't know. My daughter, if anything, she uses that Blink stuff, which rehydrates eyes. So maybe she'll use that if I can't. And okay. And here's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Very Black Mascara. I don't want to open it up because then I have to use it because I have a new one that I'm already ready to use. So anyway, I've never tried this before, so I'll let you guys know how it works in a review. So that is it. That's definitely worth $7, hands down. This is $3 right here, which I will definitely use. Maybe use these if I wasn't such a weenie. Definitely use this, the Maybelline mascara. I'm gonna give this a shot. I'm gonna use the lip thing that we got in the Target beauty box or Walmart beauty box, and I'll use the eye thing and give those a shot and let you know how those worked out. I'll probably use this, but it'll be a long time. If not, I might put it in a giveaway because I have so many of these, and I really like the one that we just got from the Walmart beauty box. So maybe not on this one. And then I'll never use this, but I'm going to keep it and hoard it and love it and make it think it's the most beautiful thing in all the world. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I think that's all the boxes I have for the month. I only had 2 Walmart, an Ipsy, and Target. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to share. A little bit on my brother, just a tiny bit on my brother. He still has not responded to my message, and it's because I'm a big fat scaredy cat who has not requested him as a friend. I'm positive he can't even see my message because we're not friends on Facebook. Therefore, he can't even see that I sent him a message. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that message and send it to him on Instagram. And I think on Instagram you could see messages from people if you're not friends. I think. I'm not really sure. But you know, it's just baby steps. Like I took that one step. It took everything I could to do that one step. And then to take the picture with him was another step. And to now, I don't know, each step is just rips my stomach apart. And I ain't got the strength for that right now. So I'll give it another week or so, and then I'm probably going to send it to him on Instagram because my aunt is back from vacation and hasn't said anything about it. So I don't think she's contacted his mother. I don't think she's contacted him. So I'm just going to have to take the next step and grow a pair. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I see everybody's message. I think I see everybody's messages. I just can't respond to everybody because I cannot see. Right now it's just really bad visually. And the cat's gonna meow some more. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.